right, this is a real quick video on slow blues in the key of A. And I had a viewer recently comment that he wonders why a lot of YouTubers, weak guitar instructors, tell people what to do, but we're not really including that much theory, and I'm guilty of that. So what I'm doing is I'm basically playing a 1-4-5 progression in the key of A. So basically that means that if I'm in the key of A, A's the 1, and then you go up to the 4. Well, you just count A, B, C, D. D's the 4. Back to the A. All right? And so go back to the 1 and go back to the 4, which is the D. And if I go up to the 5, well, from A, B, C, D, E, E is the 5. So what I'm doing, I'm pretty much playing some leads right from the get, okay? Very simple leads. And I'm in the key of A. So I'm taking the notes right from the pentatonic scale, the blues scale. The pentatonic scale and the blues scale are the same. They have 5 different notes. There's more than 5 notes in this scale, but there are 5 different notes. And what I'm doing is I'm playing a full step bend. What a full step bend means, you go up 2 frets or 2 half steps. So it's a full step bend on the 3rd string. And I'm going to show you the music soon after I just demonstrate part of it. So I'm playing that for a measure, a full step bend on the 7th fret, 3rd string of my 3rd finger. And remember, when we bend, kind of approach the guitar this way, like a handshake, because if you bend with your fingers, it's going to be very difficult to do things accurately and make it sound good. So you have to really approach it from kind of this angle, like this. Put your thumb right about there. I know everybody's hand size is different. Then I'm just going down to the 7th fret, 5th fret and the 3rd string, my 3rd and 1st fingers. Then I'm playing 1, 3, 5th and 7th frets on the 4th string. I play that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's just about a full measure. 1, 2, 3. So, it goes a little bit longer than a measure. And I play that 4 times. Now, because we're in a 1-4-5 progression, I want to go up and make something sound like it's going to sound like a D. But I can take that, I can find a D note. This is a very simple explanation and a simple blues progression in and of itself, but it's good for people who are starting out, intermediate level as well. So now I'm playing the D, but I'm doing some hammer-ons. If you're not sure what a hammer-on is, well, I'm hitting the note on the 3rd string, 5th fret with my 1st finger, and then I'm hammering it on with my 3rd finger, a hammer-on, but I'm playing that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but I'm doing it faster than that. And then I'm going up to the octave. I'm going from this D to this D, but I'm playing the C first. So I'm playing 5th and 7th frets on the 3rd string. Then I'm going up to the 2nd string, 13th and 15th frets with my 1st and 3rd fingers. Then I'm going back to the... So what I just played here, old school, is the first line. Full step bend, those notes, playing it 4 times. These colons, okay, you remember what your English teacher taught you, what you use them for. You can use them for various things. But in music, they mean repeat. So a lot of things I'm saying in this lesson are review for a lot of you. I understand that. But I want to be thorough with this explanation because a viewer suggested, and I agree with this particular viewer, that we need to talk more about theory. You want to know why you're doing it, okay? Because it just improves your playing, and it's just great to know why you're doing it. You know, music theory can be a lot of fun. It can be intimidating, but it's a lot of fun. So then that's the 1. Then we go up to the 4, and we play that, and this is the octave. Then we're going back to the 1. Now we're going to go to the 5, and remember, in a 1-4-5 progression, take a screenshot of that. I even got my fingering down there for that, so I kind of rushed this. 1st and 4th fingers, and 1st finger right there. Okay, 4th finger actually. The 5 is the E. A, B, C, D, E. We're on the 5, and we're doing this simple blues progression. So we're going to do some hammer-on pull-offs with that 4 times. And then we're just giving a full step bend for a measure. Then we're going to a D9. Okay? This is how you play a D9. You're going to bar the first 3 strings on the 5th fret with your 3rd finger. You're going to put your 1st finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. 2nd finger is going to go on the D. Your 2nd finger is the root. So you're only playing the first 5 strings. It's a D9. And we're only going to pluck 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we're going to play an A7. There's an A major. Lift up your 4th finger. We're going to play this A7 version. And we're going to play 6, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. So we play the 5. And then we have, and then you can go right back into the beginning. Give vibrato if you want. Vibrato, notice I'm using my forearm. I'm not bending my fingers, but I'm moving my forearm up and down to get that sound. Full step bend. 3rd string, 7th fret with my 3rd finger. I'm going to play that 4 times. Then we're going to go to the D. Octave. Back to the 1. Now we're on the 5. Back to the 4. Which is the D9, then the A7. Go back up to the D if we want, to the A, D sharp, E. You can throw that in to complete the 12 bars. Well, I hope you enjoyed that slow blues. Check out some of my videos on the blues scales, with and without the extension. And, you know, you can add some different things as well. I got some other videos you could check out if you want to expand your knowledge on playing lead. Well, I hope this was beneficial. I do appreciate the comment. It was very in-depth. And I just can't tell you guys how much I'm enjoying this. I'm a retired school teacher, and I just love doing this. You know, I'm doing it every day. And I'm not doing it to make any money. I'm just doing it because I love teaching. And if you guys are getting something out of this, I'm really, really pleased and really, really happy. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.